Your foray into 3D printing, like most people, was probably with filament-based FDM 3D printers. Starting with small discrete applications to test the technology, you begin to realize FDM's tremendous value at solving your manufacturing challenges both quickly and inexpensively. As your confidence in 3D printing builds, you begin branching out into printing more demanding parts with great success. Eventually, you come across an application that's perfect for 3D printing, but your undefeated heavyweight champion just can't quite cut it. Perhaps you need better dimensional accuracy or the ability to capture fine details. Maybe you require a non-porous, watertight construction or stronger Z-axis strength. Or it could be faster print speeds, or maybe a unique material property not found in thermoplastics. While FDM printers struggle with the above, the world of 3D printing still has an ace up its sleeve, and that ace comes in the form of resin printers. Let's check out what they are and how they can help your business. Resin printers, like filament printers, are known by a three-letter acronym called SLA or Stereolithography. The print material is resin, as the name suggests, but more specifically, it's a liquid acrylate photopolymer that cures to a solid when exposed to UV light. The UV light source is either a UV laser or a UV LED array, both of which project light upward through a clear film at the bottom of a resin vat. While lasers can be directed using pivoting mirrors, the light from the LED array is controlled via a selectively masking LCD screen. Parts are then printed in an inverted configuration, rising out of the vat like something from a science fiction film.
You don't know the power.
Because the inverted printing style introduces downward forces on prints, parts are oriented and printed at oblique angles, thereby minimizing the cross-sectional area. The uniquely angled parts are secured to the build platform with localized small-tip truss supports, resulting in minimal scarring to surfaces. Definitely a far cry from those pesky FDM accordion supports. To remove uncured resin from the finished prints, the parts are washed in a solvent bath, typically with isopropyl alcohol, but low-odor, non-flammable solvents also are available. After washing and the parts have dried, they undergo a final cure cycle to reach optimal material properties. Thanks to their light touch design, supports can be largely removed by hand, followed by a pass with flush cutters and sandpaper where necessary before final implementation. So, going back to that application you are currently struggling with, let's discuss how resin printing can get you back on track by looking at its benefits. Of the big three 3D printer technologies, resin printers are capable of the greatest accuracy and highest resolution. With the latter, you gain the ability to capture very fine details and achieve very smooth surfaces. In fact, most people cannot distinguish a resin-printed part from one that's been injection molded. Because we are dealing with cured thermosets, resin parts are non-porous. While FDM parts can be watertight, print settings must be adjusted to achieve this, often at the cost of extra material and print time. Plus, if you want to apply a coating like electroplating, FDM parts must undergo extra steps to seal their surfaces. None of this, however, is required with resin. The nature of curing thermosets in resin printers also means superior interlayer bonding. In fact, resin-printed parts have the highest isotropicity of any 3D printing tech. In other words, the weak Z-axis on FDM prints, often demonstrated through layer delamination, is virtually non-existent with resin parts. As we continue along in our benefits, thermosets come up again, thanks to their unique chemistry compared to thermoplastics. Formlabs has leveraged the full power of thermosets in their vast material library, covering essentially every niche from pure silicones and durable polyethylene and ABS equivalent materials, all the way over to glass-filled polymers and even ceramics. And you can capitalize off all of them because the inverted printing configuration allows for minimal resin dispensing, which not only makes the printing workflow easier, but also permits an extremely fast, mess-free material changeover. Lastly, resin printers are known for their speed. Thanks to the introduction of the masking LCD and UV LED array, you can cure an entire layer in a matter of seconds. And that's independent of cross-sectional area, so printing one part or a dozen duplicates results in the same print time. Yeah, FDM can't hold a candle to that. not even the fastest ones on the market. Now, with all this said, there are certainly places where FDM can beat out SLA. So I wouldn't call it a one-to-one replacement, rather more of a complementary relationship. By pairing the two together, there's virtually no application out of reach. For more information, feel free to contact us using any methods listed here so we can help you take on new manufacturing challenges rather than turn them away.